Hi guys, good morning. Um, I feel like this is a very weird way to start this video, but I need to start the video, and I've only been here for how many hours? Because I came back like 10 p.m. yesterday, so I've only been here for a few hours, and my voice is already sounding funny. Anyways, I'm so excited to be back. I hope I have a lot of activities to film for you people because I want to try my best to give you guys a very good experience through my camera. And because I came back in the night, I just came out this morning and I've seen a lot of buildings around, a lot of new buildings are here. And it just made me more excited. And I decided, oh, let's start filming today. I'll probably go to the market as well. But yeah, whatever we are doing, I will try my best to carry you guys along so that you can see all of this. So behind me there are a few things my mom already got from the market, so I'll just try to show you all that. But so say hi. So there's cocoyam here, some toiletries here, salt, my favorite food, abacha, a big bag of it. Have tomatoes, noodles, some small things, some are in the freezer. We had to get a new blender.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay.
Still in the market and I'm so tired. And filming here is so hard, so hard because you're carrying things and it's just hard to film. Came to buy a few things here, just sugar actually. Hi guys, good morning. Today is 23rd December, Tuesday. So we're supposed to travel to the village today, and normally we try to cook in the town before we go because there's usually a lot of preparations going on in the town, and by the time we get to the village everybody is hungry and tired. So even though my village is like 30 minutes from the town, but it just makes sense to cook something we can carry in the cooler and easily eat. So today I want to make jollof rice. I have some containers here. I already washed them last night. These are like for our spices for the village. So, and we got spices here. Let me show you. So we have the spices here. I didn't know Ducros had this big sachet. Yes, I'm impressed. This is like, it's pricey, but it's really good because their curry is like the bestest. So I will usually buy those small containers. But as I saw this, I was just so happy. This small thing I think 16k. How many grams is it? 16,000. Okay, 1 kg. But I mean, we have a lot of cooking to do, so we got about two of that. Then some other smaller ones, time and all of that. So what I'll behind the scenes, I'm just going to put them in the containers and then I can start cooking.
Up all night with you. Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away still. Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you'll never know, you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know, we'll never know. You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, 'cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you'll never know, you'll never know.
So we've come back. We've noticed there are a few things. Abby, some new things. So this is like under. Is this mango tree? Wait, doesn't look like mango. It looks like mango, but it's like a bit weirdish. So there's this setting here. I think it is so cute. Like a proper village. You just sit down here with anunchi, and then you people are drinking palmy. Then we have that area over there for killing of like cow and goats. Oh, there's under town square village set up there too. Got this from another angle. So pretty. You guys should say hi. Please, somebody should bring me abacha and Maya. I want to sit down and eat.
This is some. There's no way this stuff on here. No.
Yeah. Anyways, our drinks have come. Busta, say hi. Wait. Sorry, it was blurry. Say hi now. Hi guys, good morning. I'm just talking to you people because I want to show you my fine dripping face. My plenty sunscreen that I roll. Carry my sunscreen around because I don't want to get too dark in this village. I will get dark in inevitably, but at least not too dark. So
couldn't name me Paul cause I'm the truth. Always find the wins after I lose. Even in way out, you can pick and choose. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee, cause she the only 10 I see. Reps in, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it. Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Reps in, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps in, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, push it, push it, push it.